Hi guys, welcome to 1EX1. Today we're talking about ideation, working with your team, your design team, to create those solutions in easy, simple ways of moving your project forward. And one of those ways is Crazy 8. So what is Crazy 8? It's just like it sounds, it's crazy and it's 8. So it's 8 drawings, sketches, ideations to get to a improved design solution, a better user experience for users. So all you need to do is take a piece of paper and you need to divide it into 8 parts like that. So once you've got the 8 parts, you open it up, or you can draw that lines, or you can print them, pre-print them, and then you give it to your team. So you're in your meeting room or your stakeholder meeting, hangout, wherever you might do that. It could be remotely done as well. Nowadays with lots of apps like Miro, you can use other solutions. There's lots of apps out there you can use, like InVision Freehand, and you ask everybody to, and you being the moderator of the meeting of this workshop, you give them 1 minute for each 1/8 of the A4 page. They have 1 minute timed to come up with a solution to that problem. So let's say the problem is the checkout process is not working well, so people are unable to check out quickly, it's taking them too long to do that, and you want to redesign that interface, that page. So that's the problem, and you want to redesign that checkout page. So that would be name, address, card details, and anything else that your company might want, subscribe or email subscription option, whatever. There may be a brief to this Crazy 8 session. So you give the brief, this is what the problem is, this is what we're trying to discover, and then you ask them to start to sketch. Now there's no wrong or right answer, and that's the whole point of Crazy 8. Let them sketch anything they want, and here are a few examples. It could be really rough, it could be really detailed, and it doesn't really matter because you're going to take this forward, and I'll explain in a minute. So you start to draw your solutions, one every minute. So in 8 minutes you come up with 8 crazy ideas, crazy solutions. Now if there's 5 of you, that's 40 page designs for one solution you're looking for. So there's lots of ideation there, which is really great. The next thing you do is you will put these on a board, or if it's online, you'll share them online on an online board, and you will go through with the group and discuss these solutions. And each person that created their 8 solutions, they will offer them and choose from there the top 3 that they think will help solve this problem, and they will offer it to the team and try to justify and explain why they think this is a good solution. And then from those 3 from each group, that will be for 5 people, 15 finalized versions. Then you go to the red route, so you define from those, prioritize, argue, debate, usually 20 minutes, 30 minutes, argue, debate. Out of those 15, which ones are you going to take forward maybe to the final 3? And then you don't forget, you'll have UX designers, you'll have developers, you'll have UI people, you'll have product manager, you'll have a whole team. So everyone has some experience of design. So you debate it and you normally come up with 3, and then you try to finalize it to 1. That way you've ideated really quickly and you possibly found a great solution, because when you go through these 8 iterations, your mind is improving each time. Now there's another way of doing this. You do the 8 and then you can do another 6. I think that's quite tedious and long and tiring, but you can do the 8 and then ideate again, because once you've had that group think, that group share, you might even improve the idea further. That's really up to your team and how much time you have. But in summary, Crazy 8 is a crazy idea, but it really works. It's great. Use it if you can. Don't forget guys to subscribe, follow and like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. This is 1EX1.